Hello everyone, and I hope all of you are doing well. So as you know, today we are going to learn Bella Ciao from Money Heist. So originally this is a Italian folk song which was made famous by the web series Money Heist, right? So let's get on with it. It's fairly simple. It's not that difficult to play, to be honest. But the difficult part of this song is to get the rhythm right, right? So you have to keep the rhythm constant in this song. But notes as such are very simple. The notes are not that difficult. So let me play this one time for you. It starts with the intro. So the intro of the song sounds something like this. Okay, then we move on with the song. Alright, so let's start with this. So let's learn the intro of the song first. So let me play the intro one more time, and this time I'll play it slowly. So here we go. Okay, so let me just come closer. So we start with the second fret of the G string. Okay, so we start with the second fret and we play 2 and 1 on the G string. So G2 and G1, right? Very simple. On the G string, we'll do second fret and then first fret. Alright. Then on the D string, the string above it, on this string, we have to do fret number 3 and 2. Very simple to understand. On G string, 2 and 1. On D string, 3 and 2. So it's 2 1 3 2. And use the corresponding finger as the fret number. So for all the fret number 1s, we'll use first finger. For all the fret number 2s, we'll use second. And for all the fret number 3s, we'll use third. We don't have to use our fourth finger in this song because there is no fourth fret, right? So finger number 2 1 and then 3 2. Then all you have to do is just speed it up. Right, and on the picking hand do down up down up. So down up here and then down up here. So okay, it's very simple. Now let's move on to the next part, the green part. For the green colored part, we are gonna play B310. So on the B string, fret number 3, fret number 1 and fret number 0. Right, so it's a very simple descending line, 310. And after that, in the end, you will play 2 on the G string. So 310 on the B and then 2 on the G. But these 4 notes you have to play without pausing. So like this. So let's play this along with me. Okay, here we go. 1 2 3 4. Right, I'll slow it down. 1 2 3. Slow it down. let's get to the blue part. Now the blue part is same as the yellow. So the first four notes are exactly the same as the yellow one. So you again go 2-1 on the G string and then 3-2 on the D string. So same as the beginning. Right? First let me play this whole blue part for you. The whole blue part will sound like this. Okay, so this is the whole blue part. Right, so the first half of it is same as the yellow part. 2-1 on G and 3-2 on D. After that you play 3 on D, fret number 1 and 2 on the G string, and then 0 on the B. And that's the end of your blue part. So there are two parts to this. First part is these first four notes. Second part is these four notes. Now all you have to do is combine these two parts and make it sound like the one whole thing. First part, second part. Okay, I'll play it slow. First part, second part. Now just play this in continuous fashion. Right? So just speed it up. After that, let's get to the rate part. Let me just scroll this down. Yeah. Then for the rate part, you again go 3-1-0 on the B string. Right? It's very simple. 3-1-0 on the B. And in the end, you play 2-1-2 on the G string. G for garden. So the rate part will sound like this. That's the rhythm. So 3-1-0 on B and 2-1-2 on G. Get it? So I'll play the whole intro once up to speed and then I'll slow it down. So here's your whole intro. Now try to play this with me. I'll slow it down. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's go one more time. 1, 2, 3. Sorry, I'll do it slow. 1, 2, 3. last time, very slow, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, now let's move on to the song. So here it is from the verse. Okay. So let me just play it once for you. It will sound like this up to speed. So it is the same thing played again and again. You just increase the speed and then lower the speed, that's all. It's the same thing again and again. So it's very simple to play. So you put your second finger on the D string like this. Okay, then you play second fret on the G string and then 0 on the B string. So 2 2 0. So we are just highlighting the A suspended chord here. Right. So you go 2 on D, 2 on G, 0 on B. Then you play 1 on B and then 2 on G. Now the finger numbers are very important here. The notes are this. Now there are a bunch of ways you can do this. You can use just your second finger for this. So play your second finger. Play the second fret with your second finger like this. For the G string, just put it down like this. And then finish the rest of it. So that's the one way of doing it. But if you're not very comfortable with doing this, 2 frets with the same finger, what you can do is use the finger number 2 and 3. So put your second finger on the D string, third finger on the G, and then 0 is the position. You have to press anything for the 0, and then use your first and second finger. So it will look like this. Second finger, third finger, right? So you can do it like this, or you can do it like this. Correct? So go on with whichever way you find it more easy for you. So this is your first line. Then you repeat the same line one more time. That's written in the green color. Right? So very simple. The same part we have to play twice. Okay. So play this with me. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's slow it down. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, one last time. Here we go. Okay, then we move on to the blue part. Let me just So the blue part is same half the way. Till here it is same. So the first four notes are same as the yellow color. So you go 2 on D, 2 on G, and then 0 1 on B. Right? So same as the yellow part till here. Right? After this we get to the orange color, which is like this. So this part is very simple. You play 0 on the B, 2 on the G, and then 1 on the B. So 0, 2 and 1. 2 being on the G string. So this is the Bela Ciao part. Bela Ciao. Right? Till here we are done. And then we come to the rate part. For that you do 0 2, 0 on the B string, G on the, sorry, so yeah, 0 on the B string, then second fret on the G. So it's very simple. 0 on B, 2 on G, and then you simply play B string open 3 times. Sorry, E string open 3 times, my bad. So I'll tell you the rate part again. 0 on B, 2 on G, and 3 times 0 on the E string. So the whole first line will sound like this. Right? One more time. Let's do it slow. Let's start with the yellow part. Then you repeat the same part which is written in green color. Then you get to the blue part which is half the same as the yellow. Till here. Then you go 0, 2, 1, and then after this all you have to do is just practice this a lot. Alright, so practice this practice this with me. Okay, here we go, nice and slow. 1 2 3 and okay, if you're not sure when to start on the 3 and. Okay, so I'll say it like this: 1 and 2 and 3 and. So on this last and of the 3 you have to start. Okay, so let's try this again. 1 and 2 and 3, start. Let's do it one last time. 1 and 2 and 3, start. Alright, now let's move on to the next part. Okay. So let me play that for you. It will sound like this. It's very simple. So you start with the third fret on the B string, and after that you play 0, 1, 1 on the E. So 3 on B and 0, 1, 1 on E. Right? That's written in the yellow color. So nice and slow. 1, 2, 3. Alright, we'll start this on the fourth beat. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, after 3 on the fourth beat, we have to start this. 1, 2, 3. Okay. After that, let's move on to the green part, which is also very simple. You do 1, 0 on the E string, and then you do fret number 3 on the B string. So it's very simple. 1, 0 on E, and then 3 on B. Alright, now after this part you just play 1, 0 again on the E string. So the whole green part will sound like this. Okay, 1 on E, 0 on E, 3 on B, and then again 1, 0 on E. So 1, 0, 3, again 1, 0. One last time. Alright, now let's play yellow and green part together. So after 3 on the 4 we have to start. So 1, 2, 3. Oops, sorry, my bad. 1, 2, 3. Alright, let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 3. One last time. 1, 2, 3. And then we come to the last part of the song, which will sound like this. So you play 3, 1, 0 on the B string. I'll repeat it again. Fret number 3, 1 and 0 on the B string. B for ball. We are doing the blue color. After that you play 0 on the E string. So these 4 notes. Then you come back to B again and you play 1 0 on the B string and fret number 2 on the G in the end. So think of it as in 2 parts, 3 1 0 and then 0 on E. This is kind of the first part, and this is kind of the second part. And then just combine these two. Okay, so let's do it slow. 3 1 0 on B and then 0 on E. Then 1 0 on B and 2 on G. Okay, let's play it one more time. Let's do this one last time. Okay, now let's do from the yellow part. After the 3. 1 2 3. Again after the 3. 1 2 3. Start. Let's do it one last time. 1 2 3. Start. Right. After that you just repeat the same thing again and again. That's all. There's nothing new after this. So what you see below is the same exact thing written one more time. That's all. So let's just do the whole song together from the beginning. So 1 2, let's start. From the verse. After that you just repeat the intro, then verse again, then intro, then verse again, and so on and so forth, right? So I hope you have learned something today. So just keep practicing this and I'll see you in the next class. Now again, as usual, for all the students of our classes, this whole session will be uploaded on YouTube and the link for that will be shared in your WhatsApp group. Now for the PDF file of this, you will have to go to the YouTube video, and in the YouTube description you'll be able to find the link for this PDF. So practice this much and I'll see you guys in the next class. Bye bye and take care.